Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pokegemz. In today's video guys, I will show you how you can stump your friends with these awesome 5 challenges guys. Illusions, math, what are they? We'll find out guys. But before we get started, please hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe, that way you guys don't miss out on any future videos. Alright, let's get started. We said we've got 5 of them, so here's the first one guys. This one you can say is for smart people only. Alright, check it out. If 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 5 would equal 12, and then 3 plus 6 would equal 21, using that type of logic, what does 8 plus 11 equal? Take 10 seconds. Let me see if you can figure it out. Alright guys, let's go on to the second one. Check this out. This is called the dot game. All you need to do in this one is go from the first dot, which is in the triangle, to the pink circle. You need to make one continuous line going throughout the dots. You can't cross over any, and you have to go over every single dot to make it to the pink circle. Can you do it? Take 10 seconds. Try to figure it out. Alright guys, here is the next one. Can you turn this number into 200 by drawing one line? So look at the number below, use your pencil, marker, whatever, make one line and turn that into 200. Try it, here's 10 seconds. Alright guys, here is our next one. Check this out. How smart are you? If 5 equals 10, 6 equals 12, 7 equals 14, 8 equals 16, and 9 equals 18, well then logically what does 10 equal? Try it guys, take 10 seconds, try to figure this one out. Alright guys, here's the next one. Try this one. This one's pretty cool. Add only one line to make this correct. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 550. How is that possible, guys? Add only one line to make that correct. Alright, did you get that one? Alright guys, here's the answer to the first one. If 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 5 equals 12, here's how you got to do it. We basically use logic to add together. So here's 5, the bottom one is 7, gives you 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Then you take the answer to 3 plus 6, add that to the 12, that's how you get to 21. Then take 8 plus 11 is 19, add that to the 21. Logically, where's our answer? 40. So the answer to that one is 40. Did you guys get the dot game? Alright, this is what most people do. They come across like this, go up through them, come back down, around, but then you end here. So you made it, but you missed those 4. So how can you do the dot game to do it? Check out this solution, guys. Go down like this, come up across these, go all across all of these here, come straight up through and into the pink dot. Let's see if you guys can get that one. That one's a little bit harder than you think. Alright, turn this number into 200. The key word is 200. Make one line. Alright, check this out. One line. Boom. One line across. Is that 200? There's 100. And there's 100 again. Looks like 200 to me, right? 100, 100. Alright, that one was pretty clever. I wonder if you can get this one, guys. How smart are you? 5 is 10, 6 is 12, 7 is 14, 8 is 16, 9 is 18. Most people would say, well, it's 20. It's not 20 because I just said 5 is 10. So 5 is 10, 10 is 5. So the answer is 5. I think that one's pretty clever too, guys. Alright, guys. Add one line to make this correct. Well, how can 5 plus 5 plus 5? One line. Okay. One line. Check this out. One line. If you ask me, 545 plus 5 is 550, right? All we did is added one line. Guys, those were clever. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do way more of these on my Instagram and TikTok. We post every day. Guys, let me know if you were able to stump your friends. Put it in the comments below. Check out my website, guys, pokegemz.com. And if you haven't done so, please hit subscribe to this channel. Check out my other artwork. Check out my other projects, guys. And I will definitely see you on the next project.